So hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you what is measure of central tendency. This is very important part when you are working in anywhere if you are working in the teaching field or working in the industry field. So this is very basic things you should know because you can see as per the definition what is measure of central tendency. When you go to the interview will definitely ask you at least one questions about measure of central tendency. So definition of measure of central tendency is the it is used to describe the center or typically value of a data set. So there are three common techniques, three common measures of central tendencies, mean, median and mode. We have data sets and you want to understand the data, how your data is distributed across the distribution. So you can check mean, median and mode. So we'll first see what is mean. So as per the definition, mean is the average of a data set. It is calculated by adding up all the values in the data set and dividing by all total number of values. You can see here what is the formula of mean. It shows sum of all values divided by total number of values. So for example, the mean of the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by how many numbers you have? 4 numbers. And what is the mean value is 2.5. If you calculate this, you will get 2.5 as a mean. So see what is median. The median is the middle value in a sorted data set. It is the value that divides the data set into two equal halves. So there are two conditions. If you have a odd number of values, then you can easily find the median. Median it means middlemost observation. So for example, I will show you one example. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So what is the median? We have 5 observations. So middlemost value is the 3. Yes, that is the easy way if you have odd numbers. But if in case you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, then how you can decide who is the median value? What is the median value? On that case, you first find out the middle two numbers. So you can see 1, 2, 1, 2. Middle number is 3 and 4 is the our middle part. So you can take average of these two numbers. So 3 plus 4 divided by 2. It will give 7 by 2. It means 3.5. 3.5. Yes. So this condition when you use if you have even numbers, if you have odd numbers, then you can directly find out the middlemost observation as a median value. So what is the mode? Mode it means most frequent observations in the data set. So you see here the definition. Mode is the value that appears most frequent in a data set. There can be multiple modes in a data set if multiple values appear in the same number of times. So for example, you have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the mode value? Mode value is you can see here. What is our definition of mode? Most frequent observation. So 2 comes in 2 times. So this is our mode. But in that case, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. In that case, two observations are coming on same time. So how you can decide? So on that case, it is I will tell you in the next session because people get confused if you have two values coming on the same time. So how you can decide who is the mode? And yes, definitely sometimes interviewer asks these questions. So identify the values that occur most often. That is our first steps in that case, and the value is the mode. So example, we already see one example of mean, but see here a teacher records the grade of 5 students. How many students you have? N. N it means 5 students on a test. This is the test score 78, 85, 92. So you can total of these numbers. So 78, 85, 92, 80 plus 87. And how many numbers? 5 numbers. So this is our mean. 84.4 is our mean. So take example of median. So consider the data set student heights 5.4 inch, 5'7", 5'8", 5'9", 5'10". The median height is, yes, this is the middle most observation 5'8". Yes. But in case you have a data set, like for example 7, 3, 7, 3, 4, 2, 2, 9. So what is the middlemost value? Or you can decide. Yeah, in that case. So but you can't directly decide 4 is the median value. First step is to order the numbers. So first number is 2, 3, 4, 7 and 9. Yes, on that case you can definitely say 4 is our median. So in that case, if 2 is here and 4 is here, you can't say 4, 2 is the median. But it is wrong. First you order the data set and you can then find out the middlemost observations. So see the example of mode. Suppose the store owners keeps tracks of the shoes size sold 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 10, 11. So how many times 8 is coming? 8 comes only one time, 9 comes two times, 10 comes three times. So yes, 10 is coming most of the times. So definitely our mode value is 10. So you can see here, it is only once times, two times, three times, and it is one time. So mode is our 10. So, but you have a data set, and yes, you find out those values, mean, median, and mode. So it is very, you know, sometimes you can't take directly decision because mean is very sensitive to outliers. So for example, I will show you. So you have observations one, two, not one, two. You can take example of height of the students. So height of the students is like 4.5, 4.8 something, 5, 4.9. Yes, something like this. And you have one more observation is height of student is 100. Is it possible? No, it's not possible. Height, no one person height should be 100 inches, 100. So in that case, definitely mean is very sensitive to outlier. If you find out the mean, so mean value it comes around 30, 30 to 40. Is it possible? Person's height is never be like no one see the person's who height is 10 10 inch. So on that case, you should go to the median, median. Because if you sort this number, definitely will get one more number behind this. Yes, so median is good choice on that case. Actually, mode is most of the times used for if you have categorical data. For example, you have male, female, like this data you have, and some observations are missing. So on that case you can choose who is come most of the times, then you can fill this value here, the mode. Yes. So we are coming to the conclusion part. Measure of central tendency provides a valuable way to understand and summarize data sets. Choosing appropriate measure depends on the type of data. Yes, I have told you, you can choose mean and median for numerical data, and you can choose mode for categorical data. Mode you can choose also for numerical data, but median is the good choice if you have sensitive to outliers of the data. Otherwise, mean is also good. Yes. So thank you guys. If you like this video, you can subscribe the channel. You can just, if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section. So thank you. Bye bye.